Hello friends, in this session you will learn about the internal division or external division of a line segment in a given proportion. In this session you will also learn to find the ratio in which a point divides a given line segment with internal division or external division. Let us start the chapter. Now let a point A whose coordinates are x1, y1 and coordinate B whose coordinates are x2, y2 are here. This point is A whose coordinates are x1, y1 and we have coordinate B whose coordinates are x2, y2. Now the line segment AB can be divided by the two methods. First method is the internal division. In this, if this is the A point, it is the B point, and this segment is divided by a point C, then point C lies within the segment AB. Then this will be the point C. Then AC ratio of AC and CB will be M1 and M2. In the second type of division, point C lies outside the segment AB. If this segment is AB, then point C may be here. Then this AC is M1 and BC is M2. Similarly, this point C may be here. This point, then ratio AC is M1 and ratio BC is M2. Now first we take the internal division. Let point A whose coordinates are x1, y1, point B whose coordinates are x2, y2 are this, and point C is between the line segment AB. Since it is dividing, it is the internal division, therefore point C will lie between A and B. Let point C dividing the AB in the ratio of M1 as to M2. That is AC upon BC is equal to M1 upon M2. Now draw a perpendicular from A, C, B to the x-axis. Let their foot are P, Q and R. Then by geometry, PQ upon QR will also be M1 upon M2. Now we can write that PQ upon QR is equal to M1 upon M2, implies that here it is clear that distance PQ is x minus this x1. Similarly, QR, this distance is equal to x2 minus x. Therefore, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x is equal to M1 upon M2. When we will cross multiply, we will get that M2 into x minus M2 into x1 is equal to M1 into x2 minus M1 into x. When we will solve this, we will find that x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from A, C and B to the y-axis, then we will find that y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So it is very clear when we know that C dividing the line segment AB into the ratio of M1 into M2, then coordinate of C, that is x comma y, can be found by these two formulas. Now we take the example. There are 2 points A and B whose coordinates are 1, C and 4, 3. And C is the point which is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio of 1:2. Then this is equal to 1, it will be 2. Therefore, we know already that the coordinate of C can be found by the formula x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. Therefore, it will be m1x2, that is 1 into 4, that is 1 into 4 plus m2 into x1, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 divided by 3, that is 6 upon 3, that is 2. The x coordinate of C will be 2. Similarly, y will be equal to m1 by 2, that is 1 into 3, 1 into 3 plus m2 y1, that is 2 into 6, 6 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 12 upon 3, that is 15 upon 3, that is 5. Therefore, coordinate of C is 2, 5. Then this point will be 2, 5. Now we come to the midpoint. Let A, whose coordinates are x1, y1, and B, whose coordinates are x2, y2, and C is its midpoints whose coordinates are x, y. Since it is the midpoint, therefore ratio m1 up and m2 is 1, 1. Therefore, by the formula, x is equal to 1 into x2, 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. Similarly, the y coordinate of C will be y1 plus y2 upon C. Therefore, midpoint of AC of A, B, line segment AB is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now we take the example. Suppose point A, whose coordinates are -2, 4, and point B is 4, -2, and C is its midpoints. C is its midpoint whose coordinates are x, y. Therefore, by the formula, coordinate of C, that is xy, can be found that x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. That is, it is -2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 upon 2. That is 2, 2 equal to 1. Similarly, y coordinate will be y1 plus y2, that is 4 minus 2 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, midpoint is 1, 1. Therefore, this coordinate is 1, 1. Now we come to the external division. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are 2 points, and let's see x, y divides the line AB in the ratio of m1, m2, and m1 is greater than m2. Let A point is here, whose coordinate are x1, y1, B coordinate is here, B point is here, whose coordinate are x2, y2, and this point is C, which divides the line segment AB externally at point C in the ratio of M1, M2, that is AC is equal to M1 and BC is equal to M2. Now we draw the perpendicular from point A, B and C to the x-axis and let their foots are P, Q and R. Then by geometry, if their PR will equal to M1 and QR will equal to M2, that is PR upon QR will be M1 upon M2. Now clearly that PR, that is PR upon QR is equal to M1 upon M2. But in this case, PR is equal to, this PR is equal to X minus X1, that is X minus X1. QR is equal to X minus X2, that is X minus X2 is equal to M1 upon M2. When we will cross multiply, we will find that X into M2 minus X1 into M2 is equal to M1 into X minus M1 into X2. When we will solve it, we will find that X comes to X2 M1 minus X1 M2 upon M minus M2. Similarly, we can find value of Y, that is Y2 M1 minus Y1 M2 upon M1 minus M2. So we can find the coordinate of C. Therefore, we can find the coordinate of C, that is XY, by these two formulas. Now we take an example. Let A, B are 2 points whose coordinates are 1, C and 4, 3 respectively, and point C divides the external line AB in the ratio of 2:1. AC is dividing line segment at AB in the ratio of 2, 1. Therefore, it is only possible when C is away from B. Let this is the point C. Then it is clearly that AC upon BC is equal to M1 2 upon 1. We can take is 2 and we can take is 1. M1 is X equal to M1 X2 minus X2 M1 M1 minus F2. Therefore, in this case, M1 X2, this is M1, the 2 into 4 minus M2 X1, that is 1 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that is 4 to the 8 minus 1 upon 1 is equal to 7. Similarly, we can find the y coordinate of C by the formula that M1 y2 minus M2 y1 upon M1 minus M2. Therefore, in this case, it is M1 y2, that is 2 into 3 minus M2 y1, that is 1 into 6 divided by M1 and 2, that is 2 minus 1, that is 6 minus 6 upon 1, that is 0. Therefore, coordinate of point C will be 7, 0. Now we take an example. Let A and B are 2 points whose coordinates are -1, 2 and 2, minus 4. Let these are the 2 points. Let it is the point A and it is the line B. And find the ratio in which point C, whose coordinates are 3, -6, divide the line segment AB. Now, in this case, let A is this point, B is this point, and C dividing it as internally in the ratio of lambda is to 1. Therefore, in this case, this 3 is equal to m1 into x2, that is lambda into 2 plus m2 into x1, that is 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 upon lambda plus 1. Therefore, it is equal to 2 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1. When we will cross multiply, we will get 3 lambda plus 3 is equal to 2 lambda minus 1. That is when therefore lambda is equal to minus 4. Similarly, in this case, y coordinate that of C, that is minus 6, is equal to m1 minus m2, that is m1, that is lambda into minus 4, lambda into minus 4, plus m2, where m1, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2 divided by lambda plus 1. When we will cross multiply, we will get minus 6 lambda minus 6 is equal to minus 4 lambda plus 2. That is minus 2 lambda is equal to 8, implies that lambda is equal to 4, equal to minus 4. Therefore, in the both case, lambda is coming as minus 4. Therefore, it is clear that point C, 3 minus 6 will be on the line AB. Now, since lambda is coming negative, it means P divides the segment AB externally. Whenever lambda comes positive, it means that point is dividing the line segment internally. And if lambda is coming negative, it means point is dividing that line segment into externally. Now, lambda is also coming as minus 4. This minus represents that it is dividing externally. Of 4 dividing, it means it is dividing in the ratio of 4:1. C is divides AB in the ratio of 4:1 externally. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.